So let's have a look at installing Centrix 3D. So as you can see, I have Centrix already running here, and make sure that you have installed the latest version of Centrix first. So you will need at least version 4.10.07, as you can see here. Now what I'm going to do is restore a Centrix project first, because the 3D installation will automatically run when completed and load up a 3D drawing. So let me restore an Arrangement 8 project, and then we'll have a look at installing the 3D application. Okay, so I've restored the project. So now let's just have a look at the drawing. Now it is essential when using Centrix 3D that the last thing you do in Centrix is to look at the GA drawing, or at least the layout. So there's our GA drawing, so that is what we expect to see in the 3D application. So I now close it, and then I'm going to save the project, and it's the same project, it's just an Arrangement 8 fan. I'm going to make sure I'm saving the Centrix 3D file, and I might set that as default. So now I will always create Centrix 3D files, and I will say save. And as you see, which you've probably seen before, is the 3D file has been saved. So let's say OK. Now this is ready. We can leave Centrix open, or we can close Centrix before we install the Centrix 3D application. So I've downloaded the installer for Centrix 3D, and I've put it in a folder under downloads called Centrix 3D. So let's give that a double click, and we'll say install. We say install again. And as you can see, Centrix 3D is installed and it launches, and there's our 3D drawing.